With the BMW Digital Key Plus, whether on an Apple iPhone and a connected Apple Watch or an Android smartphone and smartwatch, not only are entering and starting your BMW as seamless and convenient as it gets, also the remote control and other comfort access features are more versatile and flexible than ever before. Let's recap the basics first. Once the BMW Digital Key is set up to your vehicle and linked to your BMW ID, you can use it for the full welcome experience when you approach. The welcome light animation starts. On the all-new BMW iX3, the flush door handles extend, and your BMW ID with your personal settings is activated in the vehicle automatically. As always, this works even with your smartphone in your pocket or using the smartwatch on your wrist. So what if the device with the BMW Digital Key is out of battery or doesn't support ultra-wideband transmission? At least 5 hours after the battery went flat, you can still use the BMW Digital Key to unlock the car by holding it to the door handle. Now let me show you all the convenient things you can do with your BMW Digital Key Plus when you take out the phone in close proximity of the car. The remote controls in the My BMW app we know and love expand. Now you can unlock or lock the car instantly, open and close any or all of the windows. You can open the tailgate, and you can lock the car via the My BMW app and reduce the alarm, meaning the interior motion and tilt sensors are deactivated as long as the car is locked. This comes in handy when trying to avoid unintentional alarms from going off. For example, when your BMW is parked on a garage lift or in a car wash. So, when the vehicle is unlocked, you just get in, and without taking out the device, you can just start the vehicle. If your smartphone is out of battery, or if the digital key is installed on an NFC-only device, you need to place it in the wireless charging tray to start the car. Oh, and whether a shared BMW digital key you're using enables you to drive the car without limitations, or if it grants you restricted driving rights, that's all part of the new sharing functionalities of the BMW Digital Key Plus. Watch our other how-to video about it. As all of our how-to videos, it will help you get the most out of your BMW.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?